ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ka Jitri lang bat ka Office District Social Welfare ka District Medical and Health Officer bat ka Office District Sport Officer Ribhoy menta ka sini ka arpan rutrik jelew kala penong program ba pero Nongpoh ban Rakhe ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking hakapas dangi ka jing Rakhe ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society kala penong ka jingyat pejba ban perta persya ka jingken rejung drug sapo ka jela kabala sedang banyat na do namadan NSA PAMSM bat penkut pat aparishol Nongpoh hakabala wan ban benta dagi kena skol ba pero na katan Nongpoh hadin ketika jingai pejba la betang pan deka program aparishol Nongpoh hakabala wan ban simenta lang do MLA ka Nongpoh ba Meral Bons M Kongsan haka jino lang uji rabha Deputy Superintendent of Police Traffic Branch Dr. Bidir Cruz Project Director MSCS Shillong Dr. J Marak Additional DMHO Ribhoy ki kena skol lembat kiwe la penkut pan ketika jing Rakhe deka jingai lakai bol paralog kabala pan lakai pan ka Shillong lajong persya ka Mauro Sport Social and Cultural Club hakabaka Shillong lajong kalala ban prelim no ka Mauro Sport Social and Cultural Club lingba ka Brigar ka jing thu jung ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society lingba ka ni ka program ka long ban pensapriang ya khubor ban ya khun persya yu drug balas dang ban kan rai bha kini ka sngi ba menta ber ka jing pendan kam yu drug ka la ru ban penyo ya ka jing pang HIV AIDS
that has been taken by Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. I've seen the last few years the kind of a proactive campaign that has been led from the front by Dr. Cruz as a project director. She deserves as a team a big applause. That's all we need because we have seen a continuous effort from your end, from the society, not only from the state, but from the district also. Even though with very less manpower or district also, but you have seen a positive outcome, even though the cases on the rise. What we have seen positive step that you have taken as an elected representative. I can assure you that any possible help, be being a legislation in the legislative assembly or being outside the house where we will pursue the matter with the state government, with civil society, with NGO. That's why as a representative from this constituency and the district, where we have prepared a roadmap this year, because myself I have been inspired by the society, and we have seen a continuous rise of the cases in the district, where a very comprehensive program has to be organized. So from my MLA scheme, I have decided that fund will be earmarked especially to give awareness, seminar to different schools, to different colleges, to different localities, where we will design an agreement with one institute or NGO, where we will comprehensive plan. This will start in this year 2024, because people are elected me to be an MLA. It is not only about giving scheme or infrastructure in different villages. I felt that from the scheme that has been provided as a local area development fund, which is called SRWP, Special Rural Program, or from the Chief Minister's Special Fund, we will try to gather fund where we can mobilize the youth, and at the same time, I would like to tie up with him also because he has been through. So it is that I will expect so we'll be in touch with him, and there are few other friends also are willing to help voluntarily. So I felt it is my duty, and at the same time, definitely I will need your assistance, and the whole team, where we will try to gather support from the society, where we reach out to different localities.